do you start right in order to be able to make right in the end? To be very honest, I've been in the corporate space for many years, and I was very happy doing a 9 to 5 job for like ever. But then I think once I reached a point in my career where I was like, okay, what's that new challenge? What's that next challenge which excites me? That's when I started to think maybe I should start looking out. Especially when you think of design, it's not what you see on the screen, but more around how do you essentially help organizations achieve their goals in a much more holistic manner, in a way that they can get their customer goals as well as their business goals aligned. I had a great team, great people to work for, and some really challenging problems to solve, which were impacting literally every Australian. I think learning especially has been such a big part of my career. I love learning new things, and I think that has literally been a philosophy subconsciously for me. When I stop learning at a job, I know that it's time to move on. What human-centered design does is, no matter what the nature of the problem is, it looks at the end-to-end process by looking at all the humans who are experiencing that problem end to end, all the humans that are involved in that problem or involved in driving the solution towards for that problem, and essentially all the processes and mechanisms that are aiding those humans. These are some of the checkpoints by which I think we can inform organizations way better into going about an AI implementation instead of just mindlessly diving into it, spending a truckload of money and then realizing that, oh my God, this was so not worth our effort because we are not getting the kind of outcomes that we needed. The KPIs of the organization and the KPIs of the staff were in such a way that they encouraged speed, but they did not encourage quality. So, and which was costing them massively because of speed, there were a lot of errors, and which was eventually impacting the end customer and their own bottom line as well. That is such a fundamental thought in any value chain or any service for that matter. If you make sure that